Okay guys, I've got a very random haul for you. This was $67. It's in 3 categories, but I really didn't need anything this week, but these were some sales that Food City had that I did not want to pass up. First, let's talk about toilet paper. You know, I have been bragging on this. Simply Done. Ready for life. That's what it says. This has been good toilet paper. Now, the paper towels, nah, they're okay. They're paper towels. I wouldn't buy them again, but they've been running this. It's 12 really big rolls, and they are really big rolls, and it's really good paper. It's thick. I think it says that it's 2-ply, but it's compared to Charmin Ultra Strong. Loving this. Was going to get some more of that if it was on sale, but they did not have it. I couldn't find it anywhere on the shelf. But they had this Cardinal tissue, 12 double rolls. This was buy one get one free, and I could not remember at Food City if you buy one, if you get it half price. You do, but I just went ahead and got 2. I'm not sure about it, guys. It says that it is 2-ply, but I've already tore into it, and if it is 2-ply, it is very, very thin. It just doesn't feel as strong, but hey, I mean, we will use it. Not a big deal, but I'll let you know if it's as good as the checkmark Simply Done brand. Okay, here's 2 little things that were not in the sales that I just always check for manager specials. In the produce, in the meat, you always can, most of the time, find something. Anyhow, I ended up with these 2 steaks, and I want you to look. I got these for about half price. This is grass-fed ribeyes. My husband is going to be so tickled with this. I got this one for $6.27, and I don't even know how much it weighs. I can't get that off, but anyhow, I got that one. And then I got this one for $5.66. These were half price. And he is going to be loving that. We could really eat off one and then freeze the other. But, you know, they always have this section at Food City, pick 5 for $19.99 every day. Then they have another little section that has like this pimento cheese and cubed ham that I bought here a while back. It's got like hot dogs and some bologna and stuff. Well, every now and again, and this was every now and again, they will run it where on Friday and Saturday you get to pick 5 for $14.99. So each of these packs cost me $3. I got 3 packs of ground beef, and I usually get chuck, but I went ahead and got the 25% fat because you can see this is even a little bit over a pound. If you go with ground chuck, you don't hardly get a pound, but I always drain my grease off anyway, and this will be fine for, you know, whatever we're using it for. I got 3 packs of this stew meat, and does that not look good? And if you saw my What's for Dinner video where I made the cast iron steak bites, this is the meat that I used, stew meat. And it was so tender, even frying it up in that cast iron skillet on top of the stove. But I've been feeling a beef stew coming, steak tips. I probably should have got a couple more packs of that. Anyway, and you could use this special deal. You could do it twice. So that's why I got 10 packs. There was a limit of, 2 times that you could use it. I got 2 packs of these boneless pork chops. I love to put these in the Crockpot. They will just fall apart. And then I did get 1 pack of some chicken breast tenderloins. I don't know why I got that, because I always have chicken in the freezer, but I don't know. Sometimes I like to work with fresh for things. So anyway, and I did get this processed pimento cheese. We love this right here. Better than any pimento cheese that we've ever had. And that's a good size container too. It's 20 ounces. Then in this section, right as you come in the door, I saw some cute things for stocking stuffers, and I just went ahead and grabbed them for my daughters. They're older girls now, but they're always going to be my babies. I got them a hot chocolate Cocoa Bomb. Some of these vanilla cream drops. They love these. And then I got a caramel Russell Stover Santa. And my youngest, she always gets a planner at Christmas. This is very similar to one that I ordered from Amazon for her last year. But this was $5. And it has the little like divider for the month. And you have the monthly layout. Then this is where she keeps up with like her school assignments, and then she'll put on here what days that she works. She has a little part-time job, and so she can keep track of everything. And this one says it has a thing that for goal planning, and it has 3 sheets of stickers, but I have not found the stickers yet. There's the notes section. Let's see if I can find the stickers. Here they are. Here they are. Here's the stickers. Oh, it's got little tabs for the months, so she can tab her months. I was just thinking when I was looking at this in the store, that was the only thing it was missing. It's got little notes, and I don't know if that says notes. Yes, it does. And then those kind of little stickers. Oh, look. Meeting, lunch, just little fun stickers. I don't ever fool with this stuff on my planner. I'm good if I get everything written down in there. And here's some more cute little ones. I think she'll like this. And it's not so big, like it will still fit in her backpack really well with her Chromebook and everything else that she needs for school. And it has a nice sturdy cardboard cover, and that's kind of what she had last year in this good double spiral. So I will put that up. She's kind of a nerd like me. She likes to get planners for Christmas, and those Funyuns are for me. I wanted those so bad last night. Couldn't find any in the store I went in. None. So, you know, it's a day late, but I'll still eat them. So this is what I got. And if y'all got a Food City, don't sleep on them. Be sure and check them out on their meat. And their meat department is delicious. All their meat is so good. They actually have real butchers, and they grind their own hamburger meat and all that stuff. So it is good. So anyway, until I see you next time, enjoy my haul, and I send you love from my kitchen.